First things first, I appreciate your support. So let me show you why you have blockage issues on your washing machine. You see, doing small garments, handkerchiefs, socks in there. These are socks. So that's laundry clothes, normal clothes, and then we have a socks here. So you know what will happen? The socks, let me pause the machine. That's the socks. So the socks will come here, and then it will go in there into the drum, and then it will block the drain hose, the main hose or the filter. So if you have a big gap, if you're seeing a big gap between the metallic drum and the rubber, avoid small garments. Avoid small garments. If not, be ready for repair costs. Be ready for frequent visits from your technician.